setup is especially helpful when several projects are connected. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Git in VS Code in 2026. Git helps you track changes, create commits, manage branches, and collaborate on projects, and VS Code includes many Git features directly in the editor. So let's get started. First, make sure Git is installed on your computer and open a project folder in VS Code. If the folder is already a Git repository, VS Code should detect it automatically. Open the source control view from the activity bar. Here, you can see files that have been changed since the last commit. Select a changed file to review the differences. VS Code shows what was added, removed, or modified, making it easier to check your work before saving a commit. When your changes are ready, stage the files you want to include. You can stage individual files or multiple changes depending on what you're working on. Next, enter a clear commit message that describes what you changed, then create the commit. A useful message makes your project history easier to understand later. You can also use the source control view to create and switch branches. Branches are useful when you want to work on a new feature or fix without changing the main branch immediately. If your project is connected to a remote repository, you can pull changes from the remote and push your local commits back to it. VS Code provides buttons and commands for these common actions. When working with a team, always review incoming and outgoing changes before syncing. If conflicts occur, VS Code can help you compare the conflicting sections and choose the correct version. Don't treat Git as just a backup tool. Commit regularly with clear messages so you always have a useful history of your work. And that's how to use Git in VS Code. With source control, you can review changes, stage files, commit updates, manage branches, and sync with remote repositories without leaving the editor. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next